how to do dips with resistance bands for best results. Let's find out. Hey, it's Oskar from GoPrimate here, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to perform dips with resistance bands for the best possible results. So let's start off with the setup. So you're going to be creating a loop on one side of the dip bar with the band, then you're going to be pulling the slack off that side of the band, and then the other side you're going to be wrapping around the other side of the dip bar and place your hand on top of that side, and then you simply jump on top of the band with your knees. Now the key things to keep in mind here for best results are the following. Number one, you want to make sure that you're pushing your shoulders down. So you want to avoid any type of shrugging at all times. So throughout the entire set, make sure you really push those shoulders down. From here, you want to, in a controlled manner, lower yourself to around a 90-degree elbow angle. And from here, you're going to focus on pressing the elbows towards each other, and that way you're going to be getting way more chest recruitment. Now, you can go even lower than 9 degrees of the elbow angle if you want to, as long as your mobility allows you to do that. Now, with mobility, I don't mean flexibility. What I mean with mobility is that you can safely generate force from a specific range of motion. So even if you can get super low, if you don't have enough mobility, you can actually injure your shoulder this way. So as a general guideline, just to keep things safe, I would recommend come to around a 90-degree elbow angle. Now, if you already feel pretty strong on the dips and you want to mix things up, then you can also do dips the bodybuilding way, which is basically that you simply don't come to a full elbow lockout. Now, everything else stays the same, but you just avoid coming to a full lockout of your elbow. Now, this should be a little bit harder than going to a full elbow lockout, because there's going to be that constant tension the whole time. Now, the tighter you have the band, the more it's going to help you, and the more slack you have in the band, so the looser the band is going to be, the less it's going to assist you. And of course, the stronger the band you use, the more resistance you will get, and therefore the easier it's going to be. And the lighter the band you use, the less assistance you will get from the band, and the harder it will be. So that is the easy way to adjust the difficulty on banded dips. And if you're training mainly for mass, now I recommend around 6 to 50 repetitions on dips with 60 to 90 seconds of rest in between each set. So that is how you perform dips with resistance bands. Hope you got some value from this video, and if you did, then please feel free to leave this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to optimize your body weight, ring and at-home fitness training. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.